Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone 4S and iPhone 4. Lately some iPhones have problems with its sound. You can't listen to any music, you can't volume up or down. So many people think the problem is here, but actually it's in the connector here. And what you should do is take a toothbrush, put in it, and clean it very good. Take all the dust outside, because the dust tells the connector that is connected with a dock, and that makes your iPhone think that it's connected with a dock and doesn't give you any sound at all. So I'm going to clean this up very good. I would use a toothpick also. Okay, I'm getting all the dust inside of it. And you won't have any problems with your volume up, volume down, volume up, volume down. And previously, let me move my camera a little bit. Previously it showed this. I couldn't even volume up and down. But now as you clean it, you'll get your phone fixed. So thank you YouTube for watching. Please comment below and like the video. Bye.